Thomas here, MGM Classic Cars, coming to you from Addison, Illinois. And today we have a not too much of a sunny day. We got cloud coverage here. See that? So it's not gonna pop like it normally pops, but this is a Cortez Silver 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. A little bit on the custom side, a couple accessories. Obviously, you see the LED lights in the front, HIDs, the Cragar wheels have been upgraded to the car. Nice rally stripe, black stripes going down the entire vehicle as it should. It does look nice. Chrome bumpers look great, rear LED lights as well. Dual exhaust, vinyl top, no bubbling. Really, really nice paintwork on the car. All the bright work is super nice. Nothing has to be changed. No scuff marks, which I'll get a little bit closer with the paint and show you guys. But a beautiful stance and a great, reliable little Chevelle Malibu. Look at that. Look at that beautiful paint. No chips, no scratches. And if there are, I am going to show you. But, sorry about the windy day. But again, there isn't. Okay? It's a straightforward 350 car with a 350 turbo trans. 10-bolt rear end, just a nice little cruiser, ready for the car shows. Like I said earlier, very, very reliable. If you want some more upgrades done to the car, we can. Nice inner outer door jambs, look great. Door panels, dash pad, clusters nice and clean and crisp. Bench seat, split bench, okay. Back seat, seat belts, package tray. Nice headliner, dome light does function. Car shows 60,000 miles. Is it original? I don't know. But this engine, honestly, runs brand freaking new. Okay. I have a short punch list on the car. All right, let's talk about that. Let's see. Well, everything's been taken care of on the punch list. So we got that part done. I have a clean, clear title on it, and I also have a build sheet right there on the car that goes with it. All right. Seems like everything functions. All right. And let's go and take this thing for a cruise. All right. Nice upgraded stereo system, Alpine with the CD receiver, it says. Everything works like I said earlier. All right, let's take a ride this way, then we'll circle around. As you can see, the temperament on the car is really, really nice. It's a great, great cruiser. And it's got power. Don't let that fool you. Just because it's a small block doesn't mean it's got no power. It's got power. It's got drum brakes all around. They've been serviced, and it stops great. You will, if you drive it, you won't want to replace them. It does stop great and function excellent. Back in, it's going to get away from you. But it is slightly wet outside. All right, let's get this thing up to 40, 45 miles an hour. And then I'm going to circle back. Speedo works, fuel gauge works. If you guys need financing, credit score's got to be 650 to 720. That will get you financed with 10% down. See how it shifts? Excellent. If your credit score is 720 and higher, no money down loans are available. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click the subscribe button. It's a red button on the bottom right-hand side of the screen. If you're on Facebook, like the page, share the page. If you want to get on our mailing list, email me, text me. I'll give you the number at the end, your email, and I will put you on the new arrival, all new arrival list. I get these cars in every other day, and we sell them very, very quick. We offer great client service, great customer service. We ship around the world. All licensed, insured, and bonded, right to your doorstep. Also, if you want to come in, test drive the car, not a problem. You got to show me proof of funds, then I will drive you. If you write me a cashier's check, place it on my desk, then you can drive the car. I am 20 minutes from the Chicago O'Hare Airport, and I'm 45 minutes from Chicago Midway Airport. So, that's all the information on the car. Floor pans are good, trunk is good. I got a car cover for it, and the original air cleaner for the car as well. So if you're looking for a nice Chevelle Cortez Silver 72, needs nothing, ready for car shows, great gas mileage, plenty of power, call me, text me. My number is 847-848-1850. I'll talk to you soon.